Colin, thanks very much for joining us. We would have brought an investment banker into the conversation, but they were all too busy, probably still up from last night working on their latest deal. How big have the numbers been?
Yeah, I'll tell you, when you look at the deal market from two perspectives, you can look at it from the volume perspective and the value perspective. When you think about the volumes, it's been pretty incredible. There's been nearly 15,000 transactions in 2020, and that was up 8% over 19. And if you think about the run rate for 2021, we're already at 6,500 through May. So there's still plenty of volume in the system. And as you rightly pointed out, there's a very significant story here around value. When you think of the number of mega deals that have happened just in 2021 alone, it's up now to about 54, which is the same amount that was all of last year. And if the first quarter of 2021, just from a announced value perspective, was 780 billion, which was 17% up over the fourth quarter of last year, which was, again, the previous high watermark. So to your point, there's a lot of stories here around volume and value, and the numbers look really good, and the industry itself is quite busy. We've even surveyed our CEOs on a survey that we do, and 57% of them said that they're going to increase their M&A budgets. So very, very robust market.
Yeah. Speaking to those in the industry, both on the deal-making side, the company side, the legal side, they all basically say the same thing, and I will paraphrase, of course, Colin, which is if I ask them, how much longer can this deal frenzy go on, they'll say, you know what? As long as money is basically free. Is that it? Low rates and a world awash in cash?
It is both of those. Low rates is a big contributor to the continuation of this run, but capital is another big part of this story. Most of our corporates went into the pandemic with record levels of cash to begin with, and then bounced back from the pandemic quite well. So they're sitting on a tremendous amount of cash available to do deals. And of course, private equity has been a big player in this market. They're up to now to about 39% of the deals that are getting done in 2021, which is 10 points higher than it has been in the past. And they are awash with capital as well. So I think as long as the regulatory environment is somewhat stable, tax rates are low, interest rates continue to be low, inflation continues under control, I think we have a long runway ahead of us for M&A.
And I didn't mention the AT&T deal, then no deal, then sell off the deal because I'm trying to pick on AT&T necessarily, although it will go down as maybe one of the worst deals of all time. That aside, which always seems to include Time Warner. Anyway, Colin, it's that media and telecom is topping your list as the sector most involved in deals. It's been hot.
Yeah. Yep, it is extremely hot. And when you step back and you look at what companies are trying to do with transactions now, they're trying to transform their business. There's a lot of cross-industry investment, and a lot of that is going into tech, and a lot of that's going into media. You think of retailers who now want to have an omni-channel presence and are doing a tech deal. It is permeating, and it is driving up valuations.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.